In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert short date in Excel. If you're working with schedules, reports, or simple logs, a clean, compact date format makes your sheet easier to read and sort. Excel's short date format does exactly that by displaying dates in a concise, numeric style, while keeping the full date value behind the scenes for accurate calculations and filtering. Start by selecting the cell where you want the short date to appear. You can click a single cell, or, if you already know multiple places need the same format, drag to select a range or even a whole column. Selecting first is important because Excel applies formatting to whatever is highlighted. It's okay if the cell is blank or if it already has a date in it. Formatting affects how the value is displayed, not the value itself. With your cell or cells selected, go to the Home tab. In the Numbers section of the ribbon, you'll see a drop-down or a set of formatting options. Choose Short Date. As soon as you click it, the selected cells switch to a compact date style, usually numbers separated by slashes or dashes. The exact look can vary depending on your regional settings. For example, you might see month, day, year in some regions or day, month, year in others. But the idea is the same: a clear, minimal date that fits neatly in your columns. What you're changing here is only the display format. That means Excel still stores the full serial date underneath, so sorting from oldest to newest works correctly, and formulas like sumifs, averageifs, or date functions will read the value accurately. If you type a new date into a formatted cell later, Excel will keep it in the short style automatically. A few quick tips as you work. If you see a row of number signs instead of a date, the column is simply too narrow for the formatted value. Widen the column and the date will appear normally. If a value doesn't change when you apply the short date format, it may be text rather than a true date. Formatting controls appearance, but can't convert plain text. Also, remember that short date follows your system's regional preferences, so if you share the file internationally, viewers may see a local version of the same date. That's it. Select the cell, then choose Short Date in the Numbers section on the Home tab, and you're done. This small change keeps your sheet tidy, consistent, and ready for sorting and analysis. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!